Hey guys, what's up? To all those students who have just given their class 12th and now thinking of taking architecture as a career, for them we have some pointers according to which you can actually judge that if that pointer holds good to you, you should not be taking architecture at all. If you want to still take architecture, you can always take on your interest, but these pointers are such pointers, if they really exist with you as a person, you should not be taking architecture as a course. To all those new viewers who are actually looking into this video for the very first time, do subscribe to us, press the like button and do share our videos, and do not forget to press the bell button because you will be notified with all our videos in the future. So let us take you down to the 5 reasons not to take architecture. Yes friends, if you do not have any interest in things like drawings, creating a lot of drawings and stuffs, you should not be going in for architecture at all. Because if you don't have the inclination towards making a lot of drawings and creating a lot of drawings, architecture is not a course for you. You might get just frustrated out of the course in the long time. Architecture essentially requires a lot of drawings to be done in the course curriculum. You will be sitting out with hours of drawings and creating huge sheets of drawings and piles of drawings together in the entire course of architecture. If you're not inclined towards that kind of a interest-based thing where you need to create a lot of drawings, a lot of technical drawings, a lot of aesthetic drawings, and a lot of drawings which requires colors and composition, you should not be going in for this kind of a course. A course which essentially requires a lot of costs incurred into it through expensive stationeries that you need to buy throughout your course duration. If you're not looking for anything which brings in a hole into your pocket, you should not be going in for architecture at all. Architecture is an expensive course in many factors where you need to buy expensive stationeries. With time you need to get in computers which are very high configured so that you can actually use the softwares used for making drawings and 3D models. You will end up spending a lot of things with your stationeries and with your computer peripherals. If you are looking into a course which will not include a lot of expenses towards your educational curriculum, then you should not be taking in architecture as a course. Apart from all the expenses which are there in the stationeries, there are also expenses like the huge cost of tuition fees in the architecture colleges. You should also keep in mind the kind of expenses that you need to pour in any architecture college, unless you get an admission through any of the government colleges in architecture, where you need to pay less amount of fees as compared to any private colleges. If you have a good background and you think that you can afford all these expenses, then you might just go in for a course like architecture. You should not be taking architecture if you are not a typical night person. There are sleepless nights that you're going to get in this course of architecture. While creating so much of drawings, so much of curriculum that needs to be taken care of, so many subjects that you need to be studying, and essentially a lot of drawings altogether. You will have to create hell lot of drawings where you need to put in a lot of your time and efforts doing, creating drawings night after night. But I would not essentially say that people need to slog nights in architecture. It all depends on the kind of habits that you have. If you are well planned with your regular activities, and if you are very disciplined about your life, you may end up doing works within time limits and within your day's work, and you may not have to slog night. Don't keep work till the last minute and complete out the work at the last minute. If you do so, definitely you're going to slog down through the night. But unless there are instances that we have seen that architecture students end up spending nights after nights making their drawings, and if you're not that kind of a person who would like to really get into making drawings night after night and slog down the nights and have sleepless nights, then architecture is not a course for you. Before getting into the course, you must really think about that. Are you the corporate guy? If you want the life of a corporate guy, a white-collar job where you are suited, booted and going to the office and having a very stylish lifestyle, architecture course and architecture field is really not for you. The initial days in architecture, you will be having a very informal kind of an office atmosphere, where you will be seeing that people are just entering their offices with casual wears, and even the lifestyle of people are not that much, because you will be entering into a lot of construction activities. You will be going into sites, you will be going into construction sites, and in especially Indian scenario, you will not be getting a a very corporate kind of a scenario in any of the architecture offices. If you're looking in for that kind of a job role in your later stage after you get on with your bachelor's degree, then architecture is not such kind of a course, and it's a very different kind of a course, and it's a very different kind of a field. And if you really want to have that kind of a corporate life, then architecture is not for you. Are you dreaming about a handsome package right after you complete your bachelor's program? In that case, architecture is not for you. If you think that right after you complete your bachelor's program, you're going to have a 50k or a 1 lakh salary package or a 80k package, then definitely architecture is not the course for you. You will definitely earn a lot in architecture with your career ahead, maybe after 8 years, 7 years, 10 years down the line. But initially you will have to start with a small package, and with your hard work and with your dedication towards the field, you will eventually end up earning a lot in architecture. But there's a difference between architecture and other course. In architecture, once you start doing your own practice, your earning limit, surpasses any other income, be it an MBA guy or be it any other kind of a profession. So here are some tips that I've given you today, which will help you decide that you really want to go in for architecture or not. If you can cope up with these pointers that I have told you, you can always select architecture as a course for you. If you don't agree to these pointers that I've given to you, and you think that these are something which are there in you, you belong to these pointers, then definitely architecture is not a course for you. It's up to your personal decision that you want to take architecture as a course or not. I hope these points are going to help you in deciding after your class 12th exam whether you want to go in for architecture as a course or not. I'll be coming up with more such pointers in the future. Till then, please subscribe to our channel, like our channel and share our videos. And if you're new to our channel, do press the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you are notified about our videos in the future. Till then, thanks a lot.